Sharp nails. Go get them.
I have more glasses if you want them, Connie.
Huh?
I have another pair of glasses if you want them.
I took those other two. It's that matting underneath the carpet.
Oh,
We may have a problem with that because again, it's looks like it's glued to the deck.
oh.
See?
Show me your gun. What are you going to do with that gun?
Bang, bang, bang. Oh, I'm aiming at him. Bang, bang, bang.
Aim at who? Oh, him. He's loaded his weapon.
Well, I'm shooting through 2x4, so. Okay, Joe, if you'll come down. Very good. I think those two down there might be able to help two down there. The next one. Yeah, right there next to the wall. Right on the mark. Now, what I want to do, these short ones, I'll put them here, them down, and then nail into them. Because there's no way I can toenail that without splitting all of that. Yeah. Let me show you. See how they... Nail in there. Seems a little long, doesn't it? You know, it won't matter over here. Yeah. Okay, now.
And his cuts aren't straight. That might have a little bit of a thing for us.
Alright.
This is an angle. It's not straight.
Here.
Where these go. The little short ones go. Right.
Yeah. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 2. Okay. This is a short. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there's one.
I got one here.
Okay. No, those are the this size here for the blocks.